Today on Making Every Genre Delicious, we're going to make some Hogwarts letter cookies to go with a big sweet table that's going to be displayed in our window over the next couple of months. So definitely come and check that out after you find out how we made it. The first thing that we'll need are some rectangle cookies using your favorite recipe. Then we'll also need some fondant. Fondant's traditionally used on cakes, but I actually prefer it on our shortbread cookies. Whoops, I forgot my rolling pin. Let's get this beast out of the way. I'm going to use the same cutter that I used to cut these out to cut out some fondant rectangles. And then to make the closed part, the triangle of the envelope, I'm going to use some of these other cutout ones and cut it out from here. But cutting them out will take a little bit too long, so I'm going to cheat. Next, we'll need some parchment paper and some tempered red chocolate. And now to finish the rest of the table. If you want to see the rest of this magical sweet table, it will be on display in the window at the shop for the holidays. In an upcoming episode, I'm going to be answering all of your questions, so make sure to ask them in the comments below. And one lucky commenter will win a sweet surprise. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy holidays!